my dear students, welcome again. This is Miss May Badr, your English teacher. We will continue studying Connect 4. Today, we are going to study Unit 2, Lesson 4. Please make sure that you bring your books to all your sessions. You should also bring along papers and a pen. That's all you need to enjoy our lessons together. So let's begin. Who can tell me a fact about an animal that we learned last time? Well done, camels. Camels have large feet, so they can walk on the sand. What else? Great. Camels can live without water for a long time. Can you tell me more? Excellent. Horses like to eat grass. Today, you will listen to a story about a pelican and a bear. But first, you are going to review some vocabulary. Make your hands into scary bear claws if the word is about bears. Make your arms open and close like a pelican's beak if the word is about pelicans. Ready? Feathers. Pelican or a bear? Pelican. Very good. Fur. Pelican or a bear? Bear. Very good. Beak. Pelican or a bear? Pelican. Very good. Wings. Pelican or a bear? Pelican. Very good. Claws. Pelican or a bear? Bear. Very good. Scary. Pelican or a bear? Of course, the bear. Well done. Open your books to page 34. Can you describe the bear? It's brown. It's big. It has fur. Very good. Can you describe the pelican? It can fly. It has a large beak. It has big wings. Amazing. Why does the bear look angry? It's hungry, maybe. We will see. Now please listen and answer the following questions. Where is the fish at the end of the story?
Read and listen. Where's the fish at the end of the story? The pelican and the bear. A pelican and a bear are in the river. They are very hungry. They are both looking at a big, juicy fish. The bear reaches for the fish. It lifts its paw. The pelican opens its beak. It is ready to take the fish out of the water. The bear sees the pelican. The pelican sees the bear. "Excuse me," the pelican says, "that's my fish." The bear is surprised and angry. "Pelican, look at my claws. Now look at my teeth. That's my fish." The pelican looks scared. "I'm sorry, bear," it whispers. The bear is stronger than the pelican. The bear is happy because it has a big fish for dinner. Then the bear looks down. Oh no! It can't see the fish. It can't see the pelican. "Pelican, where are you?" Bear shouts. There is no pelican, but he can hear the happy pelican flying away with the fish in its mouth.
Can you answer the question now? Where's the fish at the end of the story? Excellent. The fish is in the pelican's beak. Now, my dear students, open page 35 and think about the questions in exercise 3. Exercise 3. Work with a partner. Ask and answer. Number 1. Which animal reaches for the fish first? هنا أنا هطلب منكم حاجة مهمة جدا. ما ينفعش يكون عندي comprehension موجود فيها كل الإجابات بتاعتي وأنا مش عارف أجاوب. لازم أرجع تاني للcomprehension وأدور على الإجابة اللي أنا عايزها. دي حاجة إحنا بنعملها اسمها skimming and scanning. يعني إيه skimming and scanning؟ skimming يعني أنا بقرأ الcomprehension بتاعتي in general. scanning عينيا بتروح rapidly على الجزء اللي أنا عايزه. هنا الكي وورد بتاعتي reaches. هروح تاني للcomprehension وهقراها كويس وهشوف any animal, the bear or the pelican, reaches the fish first. You have 2 seconds to think. Very good. The bear reaches the fish first. Bravo. Which animal is angry? Wait for 2 seconds. Go back to the comprehension, scan and skim. The bear is angry. Is the pelican really scared? Take your time. No, the pelican is not really scared. طيب حد هيجي هنا يقول لي بس هو كان مكتوب في الكomprehension إن هو was scared. لا، في الكomprehension بيقول لنا looks scared. بس هو لو كان حقيقي scared ما كانش خد الفيش من البير اللي كان فعلا angry. Question number 4. How does the bear feel at the end of the story? Take 2 seconds and think. The bear feels confused and angry. Very good. Now tell me, do you like the story? Please say why. You can use the words we have here in the box. This is the word bank and you can use the words fun, interesting, okay, boring, I don't understand. Yes, I like the story because it's interesting. Well done. Now let's move to exercise number 5. I want you to think and write. Which animal is stronger? The bear or the pelican, and why? Take 2 seconds and think. Of course, the bear is stronger because it's bigger. Which animal is more intelligent? يعني إيه intelligent؟ يعني كان ذكي. The bear or the pelican? And don't forget to tell me why. The pelican is more intelligent. Why? Because the pelican is fast and catches the fish and flies away with it in his mouth. And the bear is too slow. I want you to think about an answer for the given sentences. Remember that there is no one right answer, but you have to justify your choices. يعني إيه كلمة justify؟ يعني تقولي أنت ليه اخترت الاختيار ده؟ طيب، تعالوا نشوف. Think, work with a partner, read and choose. A. It's the bear's fish. B. It's the pelican's fish. Complete the sentences. I think the pelican or the bear, لما يكون عندي slash هنا دي معناها or, is right because, so you have to choose one of them, the pelican or the bear. Take your time. So, I think the pelican is right because It's his fish. Very good. The second one. I think the pelican or the bear is wrong because. The bear is wrong because it's not his fish. It's the pelican's fish. And the bear is angry. Thank you. This is a good answer. Let's open together page 36. In this page, we are going to learn about the pronunciation of the B sound and the P sound. Please repeat after me. Bird, peas, bear, pin, pelican, pear, beak, bee. Now let's match the words to the pictures. Let's do it together. Let's read the first one again. Bird. Where's the bird here? I can't consider this a bird because it's a part of the bird's body. So bird will go to this one. Let's read the second one. Peas. Where are the peas? Very good. This one. Bear. The grizzly, the brown bear that we were talking about the whole lesson. Which one? Of course, this one. Excellent. Okay, pin. It's a sharp object. Which one do you think? Very good. This one. Let's go down. Pelican. Of course, we know the pelican. All the story was about the pelican and the bear. Pear. Take care, I'm not saying bear. I am saying pear. So where is the pear here? It's the fruit, the delicious, juicy fruit. This one, of course. Beak. The part of the bird's body. Very good. This one. So the last one we have here is bee. Excellent. So let's revise the words again together. Bird, peas, bear, pin, pelican, pear, beak, bee. I want you to write the words in the correct column. Take your time. You have 5 seconds. Now I will do it and we will check the answers together. P for pelican. What else with letter P here? Bird? No. Peas. So I will write peas. Let's see the second one. Bear? No. Pin. Very good. So P, pin. Pelican. Very good. And pear. Amazing. Now we have finished all the words with letter P. Okay, let's go to letter B. Bird, bear, beak. We still have another one. Can you tell me what is it? Very good. B. So, can you tell the difference between them? P we can find air coming out of our mouth when we say P, okay? But B is really different than P. Now, put one hand in front of your mouth, almost touching your lips. Repeat the words P and B several times. P, B, P, B. You will feel your breath on your hands when you say P, but not when you say B. You can feel the difference in the way the two sounds are pronounced. Now, I want you to do the same with pear and bear. Take 2 seconds. And now, open your books, page 37. Exercise 6. This page is an integration between English and math. We will learn about fractions. Exercise 6. The number on the top is called the numerator. The number at the bottom is called the denominator. Look and put in descending order. Look at the fractions. Do you know more fractions? I want to write some fractions on the board. 1 over 2, 1 over 4, and 3 over 4. So we have half, quarter, 3/4. Can you name the numerator and the denominator in each of them? Very good. Number 1, here is the numerator. And number 2 here is the denominator. The other one, number 1 here is the numerator. And number 4, the denominator. The last one, number 3 is the numerator, and number 4 is the denominator. Very good. Now let's look again at the page and put the number in descending order. This means you will arrange them from the largest to the smallest. يبقى لما أقول كلمة descending أنا بمشي من الكبير للصغير. The pictures will guide you. البيكتشرز هنا هتسهل لنا الموضوع قوي. Which fraction is the largest? Very good. 1 over 1 is the largest fraction. So let's write here number 1. Which one is the smallest? Excellent. The quarter is the smallest one. Now put all the fractions in descending order. Take your time. You have 5 seconds. So the first one is the whole. 1 over 1 make whole. So we have here a whole fish. So this is number 1. The second one is very good, 3/4. So this will be number 2. Can you tell me where is the third one? Very good, half of the fish. So this will be number 3. So of course, the last one, which is 1/4, is number 4. Very good. That's really amazing. We are going to read together, did you know? Read with me. We use fractions in everyday life. For example, here is a simple milkshake recipe. Half a glass of milk, quarter cup of banana, quarter cup of vanilla ice cream. Can you think of any other common uses of fractions? When shopping, shops often sell things at half price. Or when driving, the car can be a quarter full of fuel. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. You are going to write fact files about animals in the next lesson. Please prepare animal books, magazines, or any other references material. You shouldn't write anything. We are going to have loads of fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.